Good morning, 7th class. Today we are going to start our chapter One Word Substitution. What is the name of the chapter? It is One Word Substitution. So, what do you think? What is one word substitution? Suppose we want to say that a person does not believe in God, and we can say instead that he or she is an atheist. Means one word for a sentence. This is called one word substitution. So here are some examples. We will see the examples that are given here and we will read them one by one. Now see what is written on number 1. Try to read it. A word that means the opposite of other. A word that means the opposite of other. We do opposite words? Yeah, of course. And that is called antonym. What is called? Antonym. A word that means the opposite of another word and it is called antonym. Now see second. That can be heard clearly. That can be heard clearly, and the one word is audible. Audible. A-U-D-I-B-L-E. Audible. Now see third. A system of government in which there are a large number of officials who are not elected. A system of government in which there are a large number of officials and who are not elected, and that is called bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. B-U-R-E-A-U-C-R-A-C-Y. Bureaucracy. See number 4. A system of government in which all the people of a country can vote to elect their representatives. You see how long line is there, and there is one word that you make it understand, and the word is democracy. The word is democracy. A system of government in which all the people of a country can vote to elect their representatives. Democracy. We know very well that India is a democratic country, and all the people above 18 age, they can vote to elect their leaders. Then see number 5. The story of a person's life written by the person. The story of a person's life written by that person. That is called autobiography. Autobiography. Means a person is writing about himself or herself, that is called autobiography. The group of people who have gathered to watch or to listen to something. As we go in a hall and we all are called audience. And we all are audience. A-U-D-I-E-N-C-E. Audience. A person who is watching an event, especially a sports event, then it is called spectator. A person who is watching an event, especially a sports event, who is called then spectator. S-P-E-C-T-A-T-O-R. Spectator. Now see 8th number. A person who believes that God does not exist. A person who believes that God does not exist. Who says that God is not there, then he is called atheist. Happening or done once every year or relating to a period of 1 year, then it is called annual. It is called annual. Now see, you are able to see now, it is called annual. And we are reading, it is number 9. Happening or done once every year and relating to a period of 1 year, then it is called annual. C number 10, a complete list of items like books. A complete list of items like book, and it is called catalog. Where do you find catalog? Especially in our library. Catalog. A person that you work with, especially in a profession or a business, and that is called colleague. That is called colleague. A book that tells what various words mean. Word meaning we find out from where? It is dictionary. DICTIONARY, dictionary. Now see number 13, fit or suitable to be eaten. Fit or suitable to be eaten. That can be eaten, then it is called edible. Edible, EDIBLE. Now see, it is number 14, causing or ending in death. Causing or ending in death, then it is fatal. It is fatal. Number 15, a post for which no salary is paid. A post for which no salary is paid. A person is doing the work but salary is not paid, then it is called honorary. HONORARY, honorary. Now see 16th, pleased to welcome guests or generous or friendly to visitors, then it is hospitable. Hospitable. Now see 17th number, not allowed by the law, not approved by the norms, rules of society, then it is elect. It is elect. So today we have done 1 to 17. You read them and you learn them, and tomorrow I will ask some from them, and next we will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.